Also new at noon, Governor Kim Reynolds says she has officially asked the district court to lift the injunction that put Iowa's fetal heartbeat law on hold. That law, it was passed in 2018, outlaws abortions at 6 weeks. Around that time, a fetus's heartbeat can maybe first be detected. A Polk County judge ordered an injunction of the law, putting it on pause. Well, in a statement, the governor wrote, in part, life and death are determined by a person's heartbeat, and I believe that includes our unborn children, end quote. Iowa Democratic Party Chair Ross Wilburn released a statement reading in part, quote, control over your own body gets at the heart of what it means to be free, and Iowa Democrats believe that everyone has the right to decide their own destiny.